Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play League of Legends Wild Rift. First, let's understand the main goal, destroying the enemy nexus. You'll choose a champion, each with unique abilities, to guide through the map. Learning basic controls for movement and using your skills effectively is crucial for a strong start. Get ready to dive into the action. Wild Rift features 5 distinct roles: Baron Lane, Mid Lane, Dragon Lane, Jungle, and Support. Each role has a specific area on the map and contributes differently to the team. For example, the Jungler roams between lanes, while the Dragon Lane often has 2 champions. Understanding these roles helps you work together effectively. As you play, you'll earn gold by defeating minions and enemy champions. Use this gold to buy powerful items from the shop, which significantly boost your champion's stats and abilities. Mastering your champion's skills and knowing when to use them is key to winning team fights and securing objectives like turrets and the Nexus. To truly excel, practice is essential. Experiment with various champions to discover ones that fit your preferred style. Watching online tutorials can also provide valuable insights and strategies. Remember, Wild Rift is a team game, so clear communication with your allies is vital for coordinating attacks, defending objectives, and ultimately achieving victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.